Hey guys, hope you are doing very well today as the crypto market is in green, altcoins are pumping, and also Bitcoin and Ethereum is really strong. The Senate just sent the crypto infrastructure bill to the House, so everything looks good for a breakout and targeting a 100,000 Bitcoin price, and Ethereum and altcoins will follow. Sounds working well. So I am on holiday. The internet connection is really bad here. So that is why it's not so easy to come online. So hope you appreciate it. Please smash the like, subscribe, and push the bell notification. So I'm Miklos Denkler from CorionX, bringing you the most important crypto news every day. Let's share my screen and check our favorite pub chart. Oh, what a green chart. As you see, Kusama 15%, Matic 20%, Axis Infinity 13%, X Sushi 16%, Sushi 16%, BitTorrent 18%, IOTX 218%, Ravencoin also rallied yesterday and today is 25% up. Holochain 32%, Helium 80%, ADA 20%. So guys, this looks amazing. Altcoins are back, and as also Bitcoin is consolidating and preparing for the breakout, altcoins get momentum, and we are really happy that also Helium broke up. So you should definitely check out our video from about Helium miners, how get free Helium miners. So let's go back and check the Helium mining video from last week. Let's check our favorite indicator, the Crypto Fear and Greed Index, and you will see that now we are in greed. So we are in the greed again at 70. And yesterday, and what about the last 3 months, we were at 20, around 20 in the extreme fear, and now the index just turned to neutral, and then from neutral raised to the greed zone. So now we are getting closer to the greed zone, and you know that extreme fear can be a sign that investors are too worried. That could be a great buying opportunity. When investors are getting too greedy, that means the market is due for a correction. So as just we turned to greedy recently, I think there is the correction is not here yet anytime soon, but you should definitely prepare for taking some profits as you are gaining some momentum. So also, I should state that nothing in this video can be considered as a financial or investment advice. So everything just for your education and entertainment purposes only. Let's check our favorite Ethereum burning site, and you see that more than 27,000 Ethereum was burned from the beginning last Friday, and in the past 24 hours, the most feeble sites platforms were OpenSwap version 2, VOX, Axie Infinity, Tether, USDT stablecoin, Uniswap, V3, Warriors of Aradena, and MetaMask. So guys, VOXC, OpenSea, Axie Infinity, Warriors of Arameda are NFT projects, and Uniswap is decentralized finance. So decentralized finance and NFTs are consuming the most of the gas, so they are responsible for most of the actions. So our first news, Bitcoin golden cross due in days as bears draw a line at 47,000 BTC price. Okay, why BTC price action continues to cement higher support? That looks good because Bitcoin established a higher low here, and now also we have a higher high. 3 days to Bitcoin golden cross. Data from Cointelegraph Markets Pro and Trading showed around $46,000 mark Tuesday, and there was a death cross here, and now we are getting to the golden cross, but also we will check it on our trading view charts. You see this nice healthy upward trending movement, and also Bitcoin went about the 200-day moving average, so it seems to be really good, but the golden cross will come when the 50-day moving average will cross the 200-day moving average. The new BTC golden cross is only 3 days away, and BTC confirmed the breakout with a 4-hour close about the ascending triangle. Not only that, but BTC has also successfully retested the top of its breakout structure, so that sounds bullish. Crunch time from infrastructure bill. The public care for it and are willing to fight. They wouldn't care if it was a bank-related rule. Bitcoin is changing the world regardless of results is pivotal. So that's the main takeaway concerning this infrastructure bill, but we will have another detailed news about this bill. So our next news, total crypto market value breaks 1.9 trillion US dollar for the first time since May. Okay, notable rise, surging 700 billion or 58% over the past 21 days. So guys, 3 weeks ago, everybody was so bearish and the market dumped, and now we are back. Okay, so the market cap is nearing trillion. That sounds ridiculous, and the all-time high was at 2.5 trillion the 11th of May, as you see here on this chart. Okay, ETH price rallying 50% following the London fork, and also using of stablecoins also increasing, and trading on Uniswap, the volumes are increasing. So lots of great sentiment that progressing and targeting higher crypto prices. The next piece of news. Ethereum could pay way for 100,000 Bitcoin, Bloomberg analyst asserts. But why is not loading in? Okay, here we come. Ethereum could pay way for 100,000 Bitcoin, Bloomberg analyst asserts. Number one crypto price would approach 100,000, believes Mark McLone, senior commodity strategist at Bloomberg Intelligence. Okay, let's see. So he tweeted, if Bitcoin were to catch up to Ethereum's performance this year, the number one crypto's price would approach 100,000. The analyst tweeted on 9th of August as BTC price broke about 40,000. Okay, so Bitcoin normal performance in 2021. This is this yellow one, Bitcoin price, the yellow one, and Ethereum price. As you see, Ethereum is much stronger and also volatile. About 80% of Bitcoin, the majority Bloomberg Galaxy Crypto Index performance comes from the broader perception of the firstborn crypto as a global digital reserve asset, plus accelerating digitalization of fintech and monetary system. Trillions of dollars waiting on the sidelines. So that's huge, guys. Okay. Federal Reserve printed 3.1 trillion in 2020. Bitcoin price performance through the recent years. Let's check this. Okay, so this is the Bitcoin price, as you see. And this is the 20-day moving average, the 200-day moving average, the yellow one. And this is the 50-day moving average, and the 200-day moving average always acting as a support also and in the bear market. If we were to assume that Bitcoin gets the same weighting as the current gold weighting in investors' portfolios, its price would be 2.8 times higher, or roughly 112,000 US dollar. Ethereum rivalry. So Bitcoin dominance has fallen severely after topping out around 73 in December 2020. So Bitcoin dominance is falling, and now Ethereum dominance is increasing. And also Ethereum is leading this developments as with decentralized finance, NFTs, and all other smart contract use cases. And Ethereum became an ultra-cent money. A long road for Ethereum to flip and Bitcoin. Let's check this chart. So this is the Bitcoin market cap, the yellow one, and the white is the Ethereum price market cap. And you see that from here, almost 2.5 times increase would be necessary for Ethereum to flip Bitcoin's market cap. So we see Bitcoin on the path. There appears little can stop the process of Ethereum flipping, he said. Cool, that's, guys, amazing. So Ethereum not just competing with Bitcoin, but also somehow pulling Bitcoin towards 100,000 US dollar. Bitcoin's refreshed bull market could see it hit 100,000, says Bloomberg analyst. So I think that was the same. Bitcoin appears to have built a base around 30,000. That's akin to 3,000 at the start of 2019, and we see performance parallels that could get the benchmark crypto back on track toward 100,000 US dollar. The 20-week moving average indicates weak longs have been cleansed within an enduring bull market. So that's huge. Rising prices. Bitcoin is becoming digital gold in a world going that way, while Ethereum is the go-to platform for the digitalization of money and finance. So Bitcoin is the scarcity, the scarce asset, the digital gold, and Ethereum, the digitalization, the programmable money and finance, decentralized finance. Okay, this is also from Mike McGlone. Our next piece of news, Bitcoin bull Tom Lee still sees 100,000 by year end, says volatile is opportunity. Bitcoin hyper volatile, that's the nature of it, but that was created to read for people. Even though the world's biggest cryptocurrency crashed last week or last month, Lee said, I still think it could exist here over 100,000. Let's comment. Okay, cool. Sounds good. The next piece of news. Lone senator rejects crypto compromise in infrastructure bill. The compromise needed anonymous consent, meaning to objections to pass. Okay. Senator Samuel Lummis and Pat Toomey announced the compromise was supported by Democrats, Republicans, and the Treasury Department when introducing the amendment earlier in the day, saying it would exempt crypto transaction validators from a broader definition of broker. So stake runner validators, DeFi stakers will be not considered a broker. This is a nice thing how they are clearing up. Okay, there was another amendment. The full text of the compromise was not immediately available, but Toomey said it would specify who has tax reporting obligations within the digital asset sector. Software developers, node operators, and validators wouldn't be required to carry or report transaction information, but brokers would be. Who are the brokers? Exchanges and exchanges. We are not proposing anything sweeping or anything radical. Yes, I am grateful to Senators Warner, Portman, Sinema, Toomey, and Lummis for working together on this amendment to provide clarity on important provision of the bipartisan infrastructure deal that will make meaningful tax evasion in the cryptocurrency market. I am also thankful for anybody else. Okay, the next piece of news. Similar, US Senate sends infrastructure bill to House. The bill contains a broad definition of broker for crypto tax reporting, requirements that lawmakers and industry advocates sought to change over the past week. The bill, which dedicates $1 trillion to infrastructure improvements over the next 10 years, including roughly 550 billion US dollar in new spending, drew controversy from the crypto community due to pay for the anticipates raising 28 billion from a broadened crypto tax provision. Okay. Yes, that's great. They cleared up that who should be considered as broker, who not, and validators, node runners, and stakers shouldn't be considered as brokers. So that's good news. And also, the U.S. Senate sends infrastructure bill to the House. Our next piece of news. It's not a good news, but shit happens sometimes. At least 611 million stolen in a massive cross-chain hack. Cross-chain protocol Poly network has been hacked for 611 million US dollar. The team behind the protocol is urging exchanges to block the funds that were taken. So the stolen funds on 273 million Ethereum, 255 million on Binance Smart Chain, and 85 million in USDC. That was a news just I received on Twitter before starting this live, that 255 million tokens on Binance Smart Chain just were sent back to Polymax. So that is why maybe the attacker just changing his mind, or I don't know what's going on, but it's a good partially the funds were returned back. Poly network suffered record-breaking 600 million hacks. Suffers. Interoperability protocol Poly network has suffered an today. The attacker has made off with at least 600 million in stolen funds. Yeah, we already know that. Then I close this because I opened it doubled. AMC to accept Bitcoin for movie tickets and concessions by end of 2021. AMC Entertainment Holdings plans to accept Bitcoin by the end of 2021, according to CEO Adam Aaron on an earnings calls on Monday. And the movie theater chain will start accepting the leading crypto assets once the company has information technology system in place. The next piece of news, also Bitcoin and crypto acceptance. Fast food chain Quiznos to begin Bitcoin payments trial this month. National fast food chain Quiznos is set to begin accepting Bitcoin at select locations through a new partnership with Bakkt. And you know, guys, Bakkt is owned by the New York Stock Exchange, so they are also behind the Bakkt fund. The next piece of news, it's a really important news nobody's talking about, but it's quite important because hip-hop star Megan Thee Stallion creates Bitcoin for Hotties video to educate millions of fans about crypto. So that's huge. So she made a video and educating millions of his fans about crypto. Award-winning hip-hop artist Megan Thee Stallion has published a video of herself explaining the basics of Bitcoin, including what it is, why it is valuable, and how to obtain it. The famed rapper previously gave away $1 million in Bitcoin to her fans in collaborating with Square. So that, guys, is huge. So these celebrities, it's a really good example, because Meghan is not pumping Dogecoin or not promoting Dogecoin or some of the other shit coins or meme coins. She is educated her followers over Bitcoin, about crypto, and everything about crypto. Bitcoin is a new kind of money. While the cash in your wallet is issued and regulated by the government, Bitcoin is a cryptocurrency like a white stallion. It can't be controlled by anyone. So guys, that's huge, and definitely everybody should follow this education. Also, we at CorionX will contact Megan and discuss some joint promotions through the Money in the Right direction. Guys, so let's check what Bitcoin price is doing right now. Yeah, so just here is the chart from Matic. So Matic broke up here, and yeah, so we opened the trade here, and also when Matic will retest 1.2 US dollar, then just adding some to this long make sense. But let's check first Bitcoin, and as you see, Bitcoin is at 46,600, and Bitcoin is getting stronger day by day, and now it's really close to touch 47,000. And as you see on the daily chart, Bitcoin formed this higher low and also broke down, and now following this pattern. And I think Bitcoin will make this pattern, because it seems that Bitcoin loves this pattern for now. So as just I'm drawing this here and here and here, then this is the pattern that you can also put and continue. The next correction, it's a good time to add more Bitcoin into your basket. But also when we see higher highs, then I think these 47,000 levels is the next resistance. So about 47,000, the next will be 50,000. The Bitcoin dominance is falling a little bit, 2% minus. So Bitcoin dominance is breaking down here from this triangle, and also that's a good sign for altcoins. Then altcoin is pumping out, and the Bitcoin dominance is losing, but Bitcoin shorts, Bitcoin shorts are just decreasing and decreasing, so not too much happening on days, but weakness screen. Now we are here on the Ethereum chart, and you see that Ethereum is more bullish than Bitcoin. So Ethereum just broke up and just made a little higher low here and continued its rally, and now it seems to be reaching our price target at 3,250, and also breaking the horizontal level that we drew here before, and that Ethereum can targeting the 3,400 level. So that's huge, and also Ethereum broke this market structure from bearish to bullish. So now we are bullish again, and I think in August we will see a new all-time high. So that is not out of the cards, and to see most of the altcoins are in green and pumping really well. So most of the altcoins are doing great today. Somehow some correction will come, so definitely you should take some profits and be cautious when the market is correcting. Then you can add more if you took some profit earlier. So guys, what about what other things we do have? So you should definitely check out our farms on Binance Smart Chain and also on Ethereum. you can trade on decentralized exchanges on PancakeSwap, on Uniswap. You can trade CorionX both on these decentralized exchanges, and you can add liquidity to CorionX BNB pairs and CorionX BUSD, and also you can look up for staking. You can add CorionX Ethereum pair on Uniswap, and you can earn 255% APR, and also on the Ethereum farm you can earn up to 330% APR. So that's a huge news, and also we are working on some developments, but we'll announce it later. Guys, hope you enjoyed, hope you learned something. Please smash the like, push the bell, notification all, and tomorrow.